I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream at home fast. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, sugar, and your favorite flavorings like vanilla. You won't need an ice cream maker for these quick methods. We'll explore two simple techniques that get you delicious, creamy ice cream in a fraction of the time. Get ready to enjoy a homemade treat without the long wait or specialized equipment. For the bag method, combine 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a small, sealable plastic bag. Squeeze out excess air and seal it tightly. Now, place this small bag into a larger bag filled with ice and about 1/3 cup of rock salt. Shake the larger bag vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes. The salt lowers the ice's freezing point, quickly chilling your mixture into ice cream. If you prefer a no-churn approach, start by whipping 2 cups of very cold heavy cream until soft peaks begin to form. In a separate bowl, gently fold in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This provides the sweetness and creamy texture without needing an ice cream maker. You can then stir in your favorite flavorings, like chocolate syrup or fruit purees. Pour the mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours. For the best results, always ensure your ingredients are thoroughly chilled before you begin. Don't be afraid to get creative with your flavors. You can easily customize your ice cream by adding mix-ins like crushed cookies, chopped nuts, or fresh fruit purees after the initial freezing. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Store your homemade ice cream in an airtight container to maintain its creamy texture and prevent ice crystals from forming. Enjoy your delicious, fast homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.